Welcome back to Bumper 526 Horizon. Medyo matagal na, no? Namiss ko kayo. Sana namiss nyo din. Anyways, natutuwa ako. Tuwang-tuwa ang lahat. Ngayon is graduation week sa PMA. No, ng PMA class 2025. Nakakatuwa kasi ang number one is isang anak ng vendor ng Quezon City. Pero mas may ikinatutuwa ako. Kasi hindi ko akalain na ngayong 2025 pala gagraduate yung mga unang batch ng ating mga ka-vampire na in somehow or one way or the other siguro nakapag-input tayo ng konti. Kaya natutuwa ako, tuwang-tuwa. At yung mga squad leaders nila, no, shoutout nga kay Erwin Alota, sa squad mate ko, of course kay Sir Simon Medroso, sa ibang mista na tumulong sa aking mag-share or mag-guide sa ating mga aplikante na ngayon ay wow, ka-graduate na after 4 years. I would like to congratulate personally, tatlo sila, sa pagkakaalam ko tatlo, no? Si Lieutenant Ebon, si Lieutenant Algarme at si Lieutenant Mascardo. Ngayon, gusto kong balikan natin yung mga history, paano nagsimula itong mga batang to. Meron akong mga chat messages sa kanila previous years, last 2020. So, balikan natin. Tingnan natin kung paano ba tayo nagsimula na makatulong, at least siguro nakapag-influensya ng konti sa kanila.
Came from the land of the kings where everyone can do what he wishes. I hiked the plains of Luzon and hunted the mountains of Baguio just to reach my precious destination, the Philippine Military Academy. Now I am here as a pleb, a doctor to the third classman, a chicken to the second classman, and a good neighbor to the first classman. Now, are you resigning? No, sir. Over the dead and rotten body of the fourth classman, Mona Lisa Vernice G. Ebon, sir.
First class, Mona Lisa Vernice Gabison Ebon, Talibon, Bohol.
Good day mga ka-vampire. So, my tip for those who want to pass the PMA entrance examination is first review. Because for me, there is no such thing as destiny. And hard work is one way for you to achieve your goal, to achieve your dreams. And also for those students who are currently studying, give your best in everything. Not just because you have a quiz or exams, but in every discussion of your teacher, that at the end of the day, you acquire something, you learn something new. And also when it comes to resources, there are a lot on the internet. And all you have to do is search. And also on YouTube, ito yung channel ni Sir BJ. And also, my second tip is enjoy your review. Enjoy the knowledge you gained. Enjoy the lesson you learned. And also, pray. Prayer should always be the top of everything. And also, trust God and have faith in Him. Always remember the book of Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Just give your best in everything because God knows your past, present, and future. And when the time is right, God will make it happen. God bless.
I look back and realize I couldn't have done it without faith, grit, and perseverance. These three are just as important as dreaming, because while it's beautiful to have a vision, we also need to work for it. We need to do our part. So whether your dream is big or small, if you truly want it, the opportunity will come. And believe me, in God's perfect time, you will achieve it. To those of you dreaming of joining the Corps and wearing the same uniform I once only imagined, keep dreaming. Hold on to that dream with firmness, with hope, and work your way up to it, one step at a time, at your own pace.
First Class, Hana May Arzaga Algarme, Isabela Negros Occidental.
I want to enter the PMA to serve our country and to fulfill my biggest dream, to be one of the Cadet Corps Armed Forces of the Philippines. PMA is the most prestigious academy in our country. It is an honor to be one of them. It started with my simple dream to become a soldier. Then my father introduced me to the Philippine Military Academy. Eventually, the simple dream became my biggest goal in life. The only thing I want to do once I graduated the PMA and become an officer of AFP is to serve our country wholeheartedly. I am Field General Arwin J. Mascardo, Quezon Province, and I am proud to be a PMA cadet.
Cadet First Class, Felhaner Arwin Javier Mascardo, Lopez, Quezon.
So yun no, yung ating tatlong kabumper na I'm so happy and proud na gumraduate. Sana mag-ingat sila sa kanilang chosen fields. Hindi ko natanong kung ano yung mga branches of service nila, no? Medyo busy sila sa accounts nila. Regardless, sa mga kabumpers natin na applicant, sa iba ng mga aplikante, never stop dreaming hanggat qualified. Sayang yung panahon. Kung para sa'yo yan, para sa'yo yan. Let's get motivated. Tulad ni Lieutenant Algerma, Lieutenant Ebon, at Lieutenant Mascardo. This is not to achieve their dreams. So, maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta sa ating channel. No, paki-like mo lang, paki-subscribe at paki-share na rin yung Bumper 526 Horizon. Again, sa ating mga kabumper, Lieutenant Mascardo, Lieutenant Algarme, and Lieutenant Ebon, congratulations! Keep it up!